In this video, we are going to create the insurance company. To create the insurance company, we have to go to the master. Then we have to go to the insurance. And under insurance, in the insurance screen, we can give the insurance company name. Then we can give the accounts, the receivable account for this insurance. We can give the TRN number. Then we can give the landline number. Give the mobile number. Enter the contact person name. Give the email. Give the location of the insurance, the address. So you can give in Dubai, UAE, and any more details you need to give for the address. Then you have to set the insurance start date, and then you're ready to save. So you can save, and you have the record here. Now, what is mandatory here is the insurance start from date, insurance company name, and the account group name. Without this, you won't be able to save. So this is how you create the insurance company in the system. Thank you.